So if we look at the trade relationship between the United States and Turkey, there are several trends that we can see. One trend that is one of the oldest trends and is still ongoing is the military relationship, and this translates to business and trade as well. So as you know, Turkey and the United States have been NATO allies for a long time, and this has created this has caused the United States to be a preferred partner in defense cooperation. And this is resonating more and more positively, and one trend that we see there now is that Turkey is not simply a market for US companies to sell their products, but Turkey is becoming more and more a hub where US companies co-manufacture, co-develop, co-design defense equipment and then sell it into the Turkish region. So this is one very specific trend. And from this trend, we see, from this military cooperation, we've seen a positive externality, a spillover effect, if you will, into the civilian industries as well, especially in aerospace. So today, if you look at civil aerospace, you see several very unique developments. One is, for example, my company that I believe is shows how diversified the relationship today is. 3 years ago, we bought an American aircraft manufacturer out of bankruptcy, which is based in Albuquerque. 2 years later, we sold a minority share to a large American company called Sikorsky. You might know it. Sikorsky is one of the oldest, most established, very reputable and disciplined, conservative aircraft manufacturers. And for them to buy shares in their own backyard from an initiative where there's Turkish capital involved is unique. So Turkish money coming into the United States for an industry investment is pretty unique. And similarly, we have now, for example, in Muncie, Indianapolis, we have one of our members is starting a Kermit factory for roof tiles. It's not extremely high tech, but it's interesting because at an economic distress time like this, Muncie is getting an additional 70 jobs from a Turkish investor, who's going to make roof tiles here. So it's not only in the past we would see leather, textiles, jewelry at some point was very important, but we see several trends now ongoing that show very clearly that there's a diversification in this trade relationship that I think is very much for the positive.